Hi everyone, here doing a quick review of these Amazon Basic Microfiber cloths. This is a set of 24, but they do come in varying amounts. They're very soft and non-abrasive, so you don't have to worry about them scratching your surfaces. These are 16 by 12 inches. They're extremely durable, and they're also absorbent, so you can use them if you have spills or if you're using glass cleaner or multi-surface cleaner for your woods and other surfaces in your home. They're machine washable, so they really are money saving because you can use them and then throw them in the washing machine and use them again. They really do a great job. I'm just going to show you here. I'm going to spray a little of my multi-purpose cleaner, and as you see, it does a great job removing the cleaner and leaving behind a nice shine. I've been very happy with this product. So if you're looking for a nice ultra absorbent cloth to use for cleaning around the house, definitely check out these Amazon Basic Microfiber cloths.